welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening a baby reborn. I don't know if it came yet. The mailman did come. We have all this, but I'm not sure if this will be it. So I'm going to open all the packages to see if this. My mom started it for me, and I'm just going to finish it. I'm just going to bust this thing open. I don't care. I'm gonna get this bit reborn. It's it. Oh! She's alone. Is it? I don't know if it isn't. I don't know if it came yet. You guys, this might be a boring video, but you might see a little surprise. Did it come? Is this it, Mom? No. Just if I had shorter hair. I don't think I was thinking. Oh, she looks so cute. I can't wait to cuddle with her. I'm going to open this bag. Now you're going to be able to breathe. Guys, don't eat plastic, okay? I just said that because I want to get her out. Oh my goodness, it's so fun. Did you want to feel it? Mm-hmm. Is this that fuzzy? Mm-hmm. I would say her clothes off, but she doesn't have a shirt. Oh yeah, she has a shirt. Good. Mom. So guys, my mom had to do a little bit of cutting. So yeah. I'm gonna do the name reveal on a different video. But we're not ending the video today. Right now. The video is actually gonna be a little longer. We're gonna have some more stuff to do. Okay, so I'm gonna do the name reveal on a different day, but I'm gonna take her with us, guys. We had to stop it like for a million times. So I'm gonna brush her hair probably, but she looks super cute. I guess I messed up and do the name reveal on a different video. So her name's gonna be Teddy. I thought of that name super easily because there's little pandas on here. So I'm gonna open this up. Oh! That sounded like something scary happened. Ugh, getting stuck to my hands. What is this? Guys, it was just a tag. Here's the little birth certificate. I don't know how to say it. Birth certificate. I don't know. So here's your little certificate. I don't know what it says because I do not know how to read yet. Why would I say that? There's a cute bottle. I'm going to open it up. So here's her bottle. Super cute. And it does the lid come off? It does. I just can't. It does come off. Oh. So if I want to feed her, I can just feed her. And I think someone who I watch on YouTube actually has her. But I don't know the name of the channel. So I did get this. It does have a magnet, so we did buy more stuff. I'm just gonna open the rest of this stuff. So guys, I got like a ton of stuff for him. open this. My mom has her package. Oh yes, this is definitely the stuff that they ordered. Okay, so bubble wrap. Mama hates bubble wrap. Good. Oh, I have to get the stuff out. Some stuff I'm probably going to use on Baby Alive. Here it is. Some of the stuff I'm going to use on Baby Alive, because some stuff she already has, basically. So I'm going to try to open this. Mom, can I have those scissors? Hey! It's not very safe to throw scissors, my dear. Guys, do not throw scissors. My mom is a grown-up, so she can do it. Guys, why is... Let me pull tape off some. I'm going to sit her up. Okay, I'm going to sit her up. Because she's going to do this. She actually is going to take a very early nap. It actually might be her bedtime already. Because it was such a long drive. This baby actually came a little earlier than I thought she was going to come. So there's this where the scissors? So I gotta clean that up. It's a little bowl. Cute. Some little rubber duckies. I might give her a bath, but I'm not going to be doing that because she has a soft body. A little toy. That's kind of annoying when I squeeze it. Wait. Actually, oh my goodness, someone does have this. Someone does have this. Let me watch. Oh my goodness, this is like the same exact binky. That is so cool. No, can't fit this in. That's fine. A little rattle for her, cute. A bib that might be a little too small, but will it be too small? No, good because she does have. It is a little small on her, but it's fine. A little sippy cup. So when she gets older, she can use this, but not yet. She's only, how old is she now? She's only 1, so she can actually use a sippy cup. She can use the baby bottle if I actually like need to take there. But I have a little sippy cup. A bib. I already showed you guys this one. I messed something up. Some baby powder? Whatever I want. Medicine. It should be medicine. Ooh, a little hairbrush. This actually might work. This actually works! Oh my goodness! This is the only hairbrush I ever seen that actually works. These are going to be way too small for her. Look at her big feet. So guys, my mom's probably going to stop the video if she cries. Not. The video. She's not going to stop the video. She might cry though. I'll just use that, or I'll just save those. A little mirror for her to play with. Yeah, she likes it. Some blocks, some built-in blocks. It has the 6, a 2, a 9, a 5, a 3, and the same thing on every block, I think. Nope, different, but I'm just too lazy to tell you. I think some probably, because she has a, yeah, this would probably gonna fit her. Why does she keep falling over? Oh, she's falling over. I'm definitely gonna brush her hair tonight. Some more baby formula. They're just different. Different baby formulas. What is this?
I don't know.
Oh,
Soap dish?
no. It's a white container. I think. I'm so smart. Some little socks. Might fit her. No. A little potty. Oh, I have like 1,000 potties. Those are socks. 1,000 potties. A little fork. In a weird shape. Another spoon. See? That's a weird shape. This is some baby powder. Some baby powder. And then this is more baby powder. It's smaller. A little baby bottle. Oh, I think I already have this. Baby formula again. A little burp cup. Actually, this looks like some soap because you have to be clean to take care of the baby a lot. And some more medicine. That's what came in here. Okay, guys, I was just looking at this tag to make sure I got everything. Oh my god, I can't lose anything. Really, because I lose a lot of stuff. Okay, I don't want to lose your piece. I'll just use this for a different doll. So guys, we're gonna be spending 24 hours in the car. The next video, wait, I'm gonna take the baby out and take her bottle. No, please, not crying. It would be bad if she started crying right in the middle of the video. I'm gonna grab that little brush I saw to brush her hair. Here we go. I'm gonna brush her hair. And this brush actually works. See? It was actually kind of messy, and the mess is going away. Perfect. So it's all clean now. So I'm gonna see. Yeah. We're gonna probably buy some clothes for her. Actually, I don't know if we got clothes for her. I don't know. We're gonna buy diapers probably for her. We're gonna buy her a size 0. But if she grows, we'll buy her a bigger size. So guys, my mom. So we have to end the video. But we're gonna do another video soon. And Sue's have to stay up like all night. Clean. Ow. So guys, comment down below how that hurt. I'll tell you how that hurt. So this wall is so hard. When I fall back, it hurts. And our house is about to break. So I'll show you how. Okay, so guys, bye. I'm still putting her pants back on. So give a big thumbs up, subscribe, click the bell button, comment down below if you think her name should be Teddy. Comment down below what you think her name should be, and I'll change it. Her hair's a mess again.